Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The US 10-year note auction will be released at 17 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 14:30 GMT. The Portuguese unemployment rate at 10 GMT. Italy's industrial output will be released at 8 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Gold prices climbed to a near two-week high, supported by growing expectations of US interest rate cuts, while investors awaited President Donald Trump's decision on Federal Reserve appointments. The US dollar rose against most currencies, but remained within striking distance of Friday's lows, with the market still in consolidation mode. The market is focused on Trump's nominations to the Federal Reserve Board after the resignation of Fed Governor Adriana Kugler. United States spot Ether ETFs recorded almost $500 million in daily net outflows, marking their highest in a single day since launch. This was their second day of outflows since breaking a 20-day inflow streak on Friday.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The last session saw the dollar rise 0.5% against the yen. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.